Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm back with another quick video. I was about to swap out my grill insert here and realized, hey, let me record a quick video. So as you can see, somehow or another, I lost my A and couldn't find any individual letters. I found this company called Taco Vinyl, which they actually make this badge as well. And they have a product here. It is, let's see if I can get it out. It is some aftermarket letters. Get them color matched to your Tacoma. There's a bunch of different color options online, and they have really good customer service. That's one thing that I noticed right off the bat. Like, they're really helpful. Just DM them on Instagram and was able to get a hold of this guy here, so figured I'd swap it out. Comes with the 4 screws you need, which is gonna be a pretty easy swap. Taco Vinyl is the company, and they make a lot of decals, a lot of emblems, things that are for your Tacoma to kind of liven it up, spice it up, and just make it a little bit different than everything else you see on the road. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is go behind here, and there will be 4 screws, as you can see, one there, one right above it, and then 2 on the other side in the same spots. Loosen those up. And there you have it. Loosen there and just twist it, pull it out. And there you can see the 4 screws that had to come out. Pretty easy. Pull your new one out of the bag. And what I'm probably gonna do is start each one off in each corner to make it easier to line up. So now that they're in place, it'll be a little easier. You don't have to hold each one up while you're installing it. Slide it in. As you can see, it fits exactly how it needs to. And I'm all done. Just kidding. So because it sits in place, really don't have to worry about lining it up or anything. We started our screws, so those are already in place as well. We'll start off in the corners. And there you have it, all done. Super easy, super quick mod. Took just a few minutes, a screwdriver, and that's all you need. It's all done. And now I don't have to explain to anybody that my truck is actually a Toyota, not a Toyota. So thanks for checking out this quick video on the Tacoma, swapping out that grill insert, getting our new letters, and we'll see you in the next one. Be safe, everybody.